right, let's talk about your homework. So the homework is two things. One, this is just a general discussion question. Oops, wrong discussion question. Discussion question I want you guys to answer. This is talking about the coding process. Now that you've done, a couple days of coding, how's it going for you? Are you having any trouble? If so, what are some of the challenges you've been having? If it's been fine, hey, that's great. You can put that in there too. Is there anything I can do to assist? Anything I can do to help? That's kind of my job here, my role. Your homework is I'm giving you a lab called Zoo. This is essentially practice of file management. Okay, so the idea is you'll download and follow the instructions. And what you're going to do is the lab is going to have you adding photos to web pages, and it's going to be sort of similar to what we did in the second half of today's module, where it's about file management, where files are, in reference to each other, that sort of thing. So it's going to get into things like subfolders and moving between folders like we did in the last half of class. So this is going to be due by midnight next Monday, which is the 12th. Okay. In the next module, which should be coming up soon, we'll be getting into, we'll be leaving HTML. We pretty much covered all the major topics of HTML for the most part. And we'll be getting into cascading style sheets, or CSS. Cascading style sheets, or CSS, will allow us to, what's the word? Sorry, my mind's drawing a blank. It's very hot here. Will allow us to stylize our web pages, or give them styled things in terms of like adding colors and fonts and background pictures and things like that.